Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best compost bins. So let's get started. Number 7. EPICA Stainless Steel Compost Bin. A compost pail is a simple way to turn everyday scraps and trash into garden gold. This stainless steel compost bin has a capacity of 1.3 gallons and includes a charcoal filter to neutralize odors. It's large enough to hold at least a day or two's worth of kitchen waste and food debris, making this composting bin a great pick for your kitchen counter or under your sink. Take note that you won't be doing any actual composting in this bin. Instead, think of it like a convenient, odor-free way to house scraps and raw materials until you can add them to your outdoor composter or full-sized bin. Number 6. Utopia Kitchen Stainless Steel. Activated charcoal filters are one means of controlling odors of indoor compost bins. This compost bin from Utopia Kitchen includes 2 charcoal filters to cut back on odors. The filters can be soaked in warm soapy water for regular cleaning and a quick refresh to keep them working for months at a time. This stainless steel compost pail measures 14 inches tall and has a diameter of 9 inches, making it the right size for underneath your kitchen sink or on the countertop. The charcoal filters fit inside of the tight-fitting lid and can last several months, depending on how often you clean them and how many odors your filter is tasked with absorbing. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Easy Clean. You can start your organic waste on the road to becoming compost with this budget compost bin from OXO. This kitchen compost bin is super easy to keep clean, thanks to the smooth, crevice-free interior liner. Without seams, deep corners, or ridges, foods and liquids won't build up inside of this bin and cause unappetizing smells in your kitchen. It's easy to rinse clean, according to reviewers, and keeps odors under control. Made of plastic, you can also store this container in the freezer, a recommendation that Vitamix says helps to control odor. One additional feature of this budget compost bin that users appreciate is the lack of vented holes in the lid. Number 4. Full Circle Fresh Air Odor-Free. The Full Circle compost bin uses compostable liners to keep odors away and make the composting process more streamlined. The 1.5-gallon container is made of recycled plastic and steel materials. Line each bin with a compostable bag that is easy to remove when full and can be placed directly into your outdoor composter or garden. There's no mess and no cleanup to do once you've removed the bag. Just replace it with a fresh one to keep collecting waste. In addition, the Full Circle compost bin aims to control odors and flies with a unique airflow system that aerates your waste. Number 3. Vitamix FoodCycler FC50. A food recycler is another option if you're looking for a countertop composter. Using heat and a grinder, this machine electrically processes waste into a reduced mixture that can be added to a worm bin or outdoor composter. It's particularly useful for food scraps that are slow to decompose in traditional worm bins or compost piles, like bones and eggshells, or items that are prone to odors or attracting pests, like meat and dairy products. Our product tester found this machine easy to operate and a simple thing to incorporate into his daily or weekly routine. Number 2. Quest 4-Tray Worm Factory Farm. Composting with worms, or vermicomposting, is a highly efficient and eco-friendly way to produce great quality indoor compost. The Quest Worm Factory is a popular pick for a small worm composting bin. This composter includes 4 trays that stack neatly and fit in compact spaces, like under your kitchen sink. This composting bin with worms manages odors well. It also includes a spigot on the front for dispensing liquid from the trays, sometimes referred to as composting tea or liquid compost. However, a few people found the spigot to be awkward to use and had to move the composting bin onto a counter in order to dispense it. Number 1. FCMP Outdoor IM 4000. If you need a consistent supply of fresh compost to feed your flowers and vegetable garden, then the FCMP tumbling composter will fit the bill. At 37 gallons, it holds plenty of kitchen scraps, grass clippings, and other yard and garden waste, yet despite its ample size, this tumbler is easy to turn. It also features double inner bins, which allow you to have 2 batches of compost in different stages of decomposition going at the same time. Give the barrel 5 to 6 spins every 2 or 3 days to aerate the compost. As long as the mixture balance is correct, the FCMP tumbling composter will create ready-to-use compost in as little as 2 weeks.